On this next one, I'm creating part number 15. It ends up being 6 by 4 by 4. I could figure out the depth of it by taking my radius here of 2 and doubling it. My length, 2 to the end, 2 from here over, and then a length of 2. I'm going to start from the top. Go normal 2. And the way I drew this out last time, I made a line, and I made this a length of 4. Then I added my depth of 4, my length of 4. Well, now I need this arc in between it. So hidden underneath the 3-point arc, you have options to work with. I'm going to choose the tangent arc, as this will create tangent constraints as I'm drawing. So I left click where I want it to start, left click where I want it to end, and it fully defines it as tangent to these lines. Now I need a circle, the diameter of 1, and I would extrude this here, just this base, at a height of 1. And press Shift 7 to go to isometric. Well, now I need to add to this. I need this feature. I want to do it all in one sketch. So if I rotate, select this one face, I'll go normal to. I'm going to rotate it so it's in the proper orientation, the way I see it, and I would use a corner rectangle again. I left click and drag over. I don't want to type in the measurement here, so if I hover over this one point, I could drag it up and make it coincident to that edge. So now this is already set at a length of 4. So all I need is a dimension of 3. Fully defines it. And I need a circle in the center. So I select the circle tool, and I'll hover over the midpoint to use this wake up constraint. And then hover over here over the midpoint. That constraint that's on my screen right now that wasn't there, looks like a line with a circle in the center, that's your midpoint. So I bring this down, and I woke up the midpoints for my horizontal and vertical. So if I click, draw, and type 1, it will fully define that, and it's automatically centered here. So I exit. I'm going to orbit so we can see this. I want to extrude sketch 2. Well, it went in the wrong direction. So it thinks I want to create a new part, but I don't. I want to flip my direction. So I press this here or the arrow here. But it still believes that I'm creating a new part. You're going to see down here, part 1, part 2, you'll notice the color difference. So if I select add, it goes to one part now, and it joins it and merges it with this. Type in the distance of 2, and check. And that would complete number 15.